Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn letters and their formations. There are 26 letters in English. We have capital letters or mama letters and lowercase letters or baby letters. For example, this is a capital A or mama A, and this is a lowercase a or baby A. Capital B, lowercase b. Capital C, lowercase c. Capital D or mama D, lowercase d or baby d. So every letter has a capital and lowercase letter. And all the letters are written on 4 lines, which are skyline, upper grass line, lower grass line and root line. All the mama letters are written on 3 lines, which are skyline, upper grass line and lower grass line, whereas the baby letters are written on different lines. Few of them are written on upper grass and lower grass line. Few of them are written first 3 lines like mama letters, which are skyline, upper grass line and lower grass line. Few of them are written on upper grass line, lower grass line and root line. And then there's a naughty baby letter which starts from skyline and goes all the way to root line. I'll tell you about that letter in a while. Slant, slant and a bridge on a top. A. Make a C, go up, come down, make a tail. Come straight down, one belly on the upper grass line and one belly on the lower grass line. B. Come straight down and make one belly. Walk, turn and walk. C. Similarly, baby C will be written as walk, turn, walk on upper grass and lower grass line. Come straight down and make one big fat belly. D. Make a C, go up, come down, make a tail. Come straight down, one hand on the upper skyline, one hand on the upper grass line and one hand on the lower grass line. E. Walk, go up on the upper grass line, close it, come down and walk. Come straight down, one hand on the skyline and one hand on the upper grass line. F. And now comes the naughtiest letter. It starts all the way from skyline and go down to the root line and turn inside outside on the upper grass line. Make a C, come up, inside outside. G. Make a C, go up, come down and turn. Vertical line and a bridge. H. Come straight down, go back up, jump and kick. Come straight down. I. Come down and kick and a dot on the top. Come straight down and turn. J. Come down to the root line and turn and a dot on the top. Come straight down, go back up, make a slant to the upper grass line and go down a slant to the lower grass line. K. For baby K, come straight down, go back up, a slant on the upper grass line, small round turn, close it, come down and kick. Come straight down and a horizontal line. L. Come down and make a loop. Come straight down. Now go back up and make a slant. Go back a slant and come straight down. M. For baby M, go down, come back up, jump, again come back up, go down and kick. Come straight down, now go back up and make a slant and go back up. N. For baby N, go down, come back up, jump, go down and kick. Make a C and close it up. O. For baby O, make a C and close it up on upper grass and lower grass line. Go straight down. Now come back up and make one belly starting from skyline and ends on upper grass line. For baby P, go straight down and make one belly on skyline, on upper grass line and lower grass line. Make a O and cut it out. Q. For baby Q, make a C, go up, go down and kick. For R, make a P and then make a slant line. For baby R, go down, come back up, jump and kick. S. Happy C and angry C. For baby S, we'll do the same. Happy C and angry C. Come down and stop. Now make a horizontal line. T. Make a L and cut it out. Baby T. Come down, make a small round and go back up. U. Come down, make a small round, go back up, come down and kick. Baby U. Come a slant down and go a slant up. V. Similarly for baby V, come a slant down and go a slant up. Come straight down, go a slant up, go a slant down and come straight up. W. In upper grass and lower grass line, we will write baby W. Come straight down, go a slant up, go back a slant down and come straight up. Baby. Start it from the top and make a line down towards the right. Now go back to the top and make a line down to the left. X. Now start from the middle and do the same. One line to the right and come back to the top and make one line to the left. X. Start it from the top and make a line down to the right and stop on the upper grass line. Now go back on the top and draw a slant line down to the lower grass line. Y. And for baby Y, make a U, go down and turn. Make a horizontal line towards right. Now go down a slant towards left and make a horizontal line towards right. Z. And similarly we will write baby Z in upper grass line and lower grass line. Horizontal line, slant, horizontal line. Children, I hope you understood the formation of letters. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.